So naman, itong beef Angus. So, i-chop natin ng konti. Hatiin natin to into steak. So, yan. Hatiin lang natin to into 4. So, hatiin natin ha. So, ito na kung Mars. Meron tayong pang steak. Meron tayong pang beef broccoli. So, lagyan natin ito ng steak seasoning or just salt and pepper. It's okay. Yan. Alright. Hi, Kumars. Gawa na yung onions. Pepper. Beef. Okay, yung ating. Okay, pagsamahin na natin. Pepper. And salt. Then, our leftover steak. Okay, and now guys, ang ating onion pepper steak.